This review is, and I'm sorry, I don't speak this language, Chuồn Chuồn Hai Phong Crab Red Noodle Soup. Banda Chua Hai Phong. And I don't know, Kobe Do or Kore Do. I'm not really sure. It's not Komedo, I know that. For those of you who don't know, Komedo is actually a medical word for blackheads. And they use it in Indonesian for the same purpose. Let's see. P6, California Proposition 65 warning. There are chemicals including DEHP which are known to the state of California to cause cancer and or birth defects or other reproductive harm. These are the instructions, but we don't have a microwave, so my son did it in this. And don't complain about my stove being dirty. Nutrition facts. Than Phan Dinh Duong. I don't know. I'm just guessing. 320 calories. 13 grams of fat, of which 3.85. Oh, I love how precise that is. Grams of fat. None of which are, that's all saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol. 1,690 milligrams of sodium, which is a little bit too high for me personally. 38 grams of carbs, of which 7 are dietary fiber, 4 are sugars that are not added, and 13 grams of protein. And then we've got a very, very long list here. Freshwater crab, not a good idea, really. Because freshwater animals get more pollution because of us stupid humans than saltwater ones. So if you're eating freshwater animals, yeah, congratulations, you're eating your own pollution. And industrial pollution, which is partially your fault for buying their products, but you know, you don't know that. There I see featherback fish and white leg shrimp and anchovies. There's MSG if you have a problem with that. Stir-fried crab paste, which is also made with freshwater crab. And there's let's see, red swimming crab. There's also Vietnamese beetle leaf from the betel nut plant. Well, that looks okay. And then the paste. Not too much in the paste, thankfully. It does have fish sauce made from anchovies. And there is white wine, but the alcohol would have been boiled off by the cooking process. And this, ta-da, it's already done. Because my son did it. I'm not a big fan of the smell. This is definitely a fishy smelling soup. So I'm assuming that probably this is more for people who have a taste for Asian fishy smells like Lakshmi. I think that's how you say it, which is a type of soup with seafood in it. And I tried it in Singapore and I definitely did not enjoy it. But it has lots of noodles. So, all right, let's see if we can enjoy this. This is Indonesian batik, by the way. If you like it, I can probably help you to procure some from Indonesia. You'll have to front the money, though, because I really don't have the money to do that. Okay, so I did a little bit of searching in here, and I found one fish cake, one wedge of tomato, 2 shrimp with the tail on, the shell off otherwise, and one of these things, little betel nut rolls. So I'm going to start with this. I do have to let it cool. Oh, that smell. I don't care for that smell. It's like the Lakshmi I had in Singapore. It's just, some people love it, not me. Okay, I'm going to try not to burn my tongue. So it appears to be some fish cake with some vegetable in it, maybe just betel nut, Now I'm going to try this fish cake. I know, by the way, it was also a bit sweet. It actually had a nice flavor, which I'm not surprised by you. In general, not always, but in general, I like fish cake. Okay. So this one is different. It's okay. Not as exciting as the roll. In fact, I'm going to have a little bit more of the roll. All right. Overcooked. Probably not terribly fresh. Now, let's see. I'm not going to worry about the tomato. It can fend for itself. But I'm going to have some of these ribbon noodles, which it's going to take me a second here, and some of the vegetable. All right, let me try this. Definitely tastes better than it smells. I'm going to just try a bit of the broth. Yeah, better than it smells. So, don't be deceived by the smell. The smell is kind of gross, at least to me. If you're Asian, you might not feel the same way. My son is half Asian. He grew up till he was 8 in Indonesia when my wife died. And he thinks it smells great. To me, it smells gross, but the taste is good. So I'm going to give it a 7. Afia, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.